Yeah. Yeah. No pain, no gain. When you sit and think of the female life, our life is just one whole life of pain, We have to go into this whole heap of pleasure package. And then after 9 months, we have this tiny little hole to bring our blessing. The blessing we are praying for, we have to bring it through this tiny little hole. With one whole heap of prayer and tears and all kind of something that come with it. If you sit down and think on the dichotomy, if you sit down and think how life set up, you're distressed. Life hard. You see? This is how I wear my hair, My husband and my hairdresser, He cut it and he color it and he fix it. Then what if we can tear out the whole of your eyeliner, tear off your eyelash and tear out everything? Me don't know. Me must be too boring and old. I guess it must be too old.